Lucy.
Hi guys, I'm Olivia.
We are ready for 2023. Are you ready?
No, we're not ready. We're ready to draw a rabbit.
Today we're learning to draw a cute rabbit. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's
begin.
go. We are preparing pencils
And a eraser.
and marker and color pencil.
Let's begin, guys.
We drawn a big circle here.
A big fat one. It's like a gumball machine, guys.
Yeah, you don't have to do it perfect. Just try your best, okay? So I'm gonna do that.
But we're
Slow
using
down.
pencils, so it's fine.
You're using pencil. So doing not perfect, it's okay. Just try your best. Okay, I'm done. Use your eraser. I use pencil to write 2023. And hit this way. So, okay, let's begin. 2, 0, and 2, 3. Okay. And now we're gonna use marker
Maccabee in
marker
Chinese.
to draw, okay? So in the middle of the circle, a little bit top, right? And here, we start from here. Draw a cute bunny head. And here. And here, have a 2 bunny ears. I'm gonna do that. Just put the stand up. It's cuter. And right here, and another one. This. Inside the ear. Okay, and now put a little bit here. And draw a bunny nose in the middle, the cute nose. Smiling eyes. Yeah, you also could do another way. Do a different style eyes, it's okay. And here I'm gonna draw the bunny's mouth. That. Yours cute.
He's like, what? It's 2023 already?
Okay, now we are done with the bunny head. So now I'm gonna draw the 2023 first, okay? We're gonna do the both front. It's like just around this. Around the pencil to here, like this. Perfect. That's good. Yep. And 0, the same thing, right? Big circle first and inside. And here 2. The same like the first one. Like this. That's good. And 3. Okay, we are done with the number. And now we draw bunnies wearing a very cute winter sweater. Okay, So I'm gonna draw her hands first here, and there's another hand here. Okay, now drawing her hand. So this part is a sweater.
He's like, look at
That's
it.
so cute. Okay, so the last part, the circle, we're gonna use a marker to draw and finish that. Yeah. Here. When we draw this part, we have to look up if between the number there's some space. You have to put the, some, right? Okay, like this part. Okay, so we are done with this. Now it's coloring time.
Yeah, let's begin.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Look at this, turning very well.
And he's like, oh, it's 2023 already.
Yeah, look at her face just like yours. And mine is ready for celebrate. Yay, 2023. Thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye guys, see you next time.
See you next time and Happy New Year.
Yep.